Hello, good evening, dear students. Welcome to our Infinity classes. In this video, we are going to learn Karnataka TET and CTET, GPSTR and HSTR 20 most important MCQs on definitions of psychology. Yes, so as we have discussed already in the last video, the concept of psychology, meaning and definitions of psychology by the different psychologists. In this video, we are going to learn 20 important MCQs. इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे 20 important MCQs जो definitions of psychology के ऊपर पूछे जाते हैं और मीनिंग के ऊपर. चलिए फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज देखते हैं यहाँ पर. द वर्ड साइकोलॉजी इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम विच लैंग्वेज. तो साइकोलॉजी वर्ड जो है किस लैंग्वेज से डिराइव किया गया है. So as we know that psychology word is derived from the what Latin word. Here see the options here. Latin word से आता है ऑप्शन ए या ऑप्शन बी ग्रीक वर्ड या ऑप्शन सी फ्रेंच या ऑप्शन डी संस्कृत वर्ड. सो चार ऑप्शन यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं. द वर्ड साइकोलॉजी इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम विच लैंग्वेज. द साइकोलॉजी वर्ड इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द टू ग्रीक वर्ड्स. जैसे कि मीनिंग इटमोलॉजिकल मीनिंग में देखे थे, साइकोलॉजी वर्ड जो है टू ग्रीक वर्ड से डिराइव गए. साइकोलॉजी ಅನ್ನೋ ಶಬ್ದ ಎರಡು ಗ್ರೀಕ್ ಶಬ್ದದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೈಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಲೋಗಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. The Greek is the correct option. So the correct answer is what? Psychology. The word psychology is derived from the Greek letters, we can say. So the correct option is what? Greek. The term psychology comes from the what? Two Greek words, psyche and logos. Psyche means study. Psyche and logos. Psyche means study. Logos means the study of soul or study of mind, the study of soul, we can say. So the psyche means a soul or a mind, or logos means study or science. Psyche means soul or mind, or logos means study or science, we can say. So a correct option is what here? Greek. The word psychology is derived from the Greek language. So second question, who is known as the father of modern psychology? Who is known as the what? Father of modern psychology. किसे कहते हैं? Father of modern psychology ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕರೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲಿಯಂ ಜೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ and Wilhelm Wundt option B and Sigmund Freud option C and option D John B Watson, that is JB Watson ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Who is the father of modern psychology? So Wilhelm Wundt is called as what? Father of psychology. So Wilhelm Wundt is what? Father of psychology. So the correct answer is what? Wilhelm Wundt is the correct answer here. So the option B is the right answer because he was first psychologist that he has invented. He has set up the psychological based laboratory. So he is called as what? Father of modern psychology. Wilhelm Wundt. Wilhelm Wundt is called as the father of it. Wundt established the first experimental psychological laboratory at Leipzig University. At Leipzig University, Germany. He is defined as a psychologist study of consciousness, and he has defined the psychologist study of consciousness, and he used the what? Introspection method to learn the inner thoughts and feelings, we can say. So Wilhelm Wundt he has introduced first he has invented the what? First experimental psychology laboratory psychological laboratory, and he used the what? Introspection method. Introspection method to study the inner thoughts and inner feelings of a person, and he defined the what? Psychology as consciousness, study of consciousness. So he has invented the first psychological laboratory at the University of Leipzig in Germany. So he is called as what? Father of modern psychology. So the next option, next question, according to William James, psychology is what is the definition given by the what William James? See the option here: science of soul, science of behavior, and science of mental life, and science of consciousness. So what is the definition given by the William James according to the what William James, what is psychology here? He is asking what, according to William James, psychology is the science of mental life. So the correct option is what, science of mental life is the correct answer. According to the what William James is defined as psychology is the science of mental life. He said the word science of mental life. So the next question, question number 4, who defined the psychology as the science of behavior? Science of behavior, whenever behavior comes, the John W.B. or J.B. Watson we can say. So J.B. Watson is the psychologist. He defined the psychology as the science of behavior. Psychology ವರ್ತನೆಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಮನೋವಿಜ್ಞಾನವು ವರ್ತನಾ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದವರು ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ J.B. Watson ಅವರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, next question is what, according to Crow and Crow, psychology is the study of soul, study of mind, study of human behavior and relationship, study of consciousness, study of consciousness. So according to the Crow and Crow, by Crow and Crow, psychology is the study of human behavior and relationship, human behavior and relationship. According to the Crow and Crow, psychology is the what, study of human behavior, ಮಾನವನ ವರ್ತನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅವನ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡುವುದೇ ಮನೋವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮನೋವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ Crow and Crow. Crow, according to Crow and Crow क्या बोले यहाँ पर, स्टडी ऑफ ह्यूमन बिहेवियर, लोगों का बिहेवियर पढ़ना और उनका रिलेशनशिप दूसरों के साथ किस तरह से उनका रिलेशनशिप रहता है, हाउ द रिलेशनशिप ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल विथ अदर्स, दैट स्टडी इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट, साइकोलॉजी, अकॉर्डिंग टू द व्हाट Crow and Crow. So the correct option is what, option C. Next after that, question number 6, who defined the psychology as a positive science of mind? Positive science of mind, positive science of mind, according to positive science of mind. So this question has been asked in the R Rajasthan TET, RTET in 2019. It has been asked in the exam, Rajasthan TET, RTET, Rajasthan TET 2019. Who defined the psychology as the positive science of mind? Who is the person that defined the what, positive science of mind? William McDonald is defined the what, science of positive science. The word positive science means what, the person will associate with the positive science, William McDonald. The psychologist associated with the what, positive science is what, William McDonald. Who defined the psychology as the positive of science means psychology is the positive science of mind. That definition was given by the what, William McDonald. So the correct option is what, option A here. Next, according to J.B. Watson, which of the following statement is correct? Psychology should study only observable behavior. Psychology should study the consciousness. Psychology should study the unconscious mind. And psychology should study the soul. So according to the what, J.B. Watson, according to J.B. Watson, psychology should study the only observable behavior. So the correct answer is what, psychology should study only observable behavior, so that we can get the correct result. So psychology means what, study of a behavior, observable behavior. So J.B. Watson is believing that we must observe the behavior of a person. That is psychology should study the only observable behavior ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದವರು ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ J.B. Watson. J.B. Watson एक J.B. Watson साइकोलॉजिस्ट ने कहा है साइकोलॉजी शुड स्टडी द ओनली ऑब्जर्वेबल बिहेवियर, जो चीज हम ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं उस बिहेवियर को ऑब्जर्व कर, स्टडी ऑफ ओनली ऑब्जर्वेबल बिहेवियर. सो नेक्स्ट, pause the video and note it down this one. Pause the video and note it down this one. The next question, moving to the what, next question, question number 8. Question number 8. What is the question number 8 here? Who among the following defines psychology as the study of consciousness? Study of consciousness. See the word here. Who among defined as the what psychology as the study of consciousness. Study of consciousness. कौन से ಸೈಕಾಲಜಿ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಯಾವ ಸೈಕಾಲಜಿ ಯಾವ ಮನೋವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾನ್ಶಿಯಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಶಿಯಸ್ನೆಸ್ UPTET ದಾಗ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದು ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್ TET 2017. This question has been asked UPTET 2017. So this is the correct. Wilhelm Wundt. Wilhelm Wundt is a person who said the what psychology is the study of consciousness. So the correct answer is what? Wilhelm Wundt. Next question, question number 9. The etymological meaning of psychology is science of human behavior, study of mind, study of soul, and science of consciousness. Etymological meaning, study of soul. The study of soul is nothing but psychology. Etymological meaning means what? Word to word meaning. Psyche means soul, logos means study. Study of soul is called as what? Psychology, etymologically. So who defined the psychology as a science of behavior and mental process? Science of behavior and mental process. Psychology as a science of behavior and mental process. Who defined this statement, this definition? Who has given this definition? And mental process. William McDonald is the person here. Option D. William McDonald. William McDonald defined the word psychology as the science of behavior and mental process. Science of behavior and mental process means what? William McDonald is the psychologist who defined the what? Science of behavior and mental process. According to William McDonald, psychology is the study of soul, positive science of mind, and study of consciousness, and science of behavior. Science of behavior. See the options here. So the correct answer is here B, positive science of mind. Option B is the right answer. According to William McDonald, psychology is the positive science of mind. He also stated that the what? Psychology is the positive science of mind. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದವರು ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ William McDonald. Next question. Who defined psychology as the study of consciousness? Study of consciousness means what? Wilhelm Wundt. That is here simple is what? Wundt is given here. So the correct answer is what? Wundt here. Next question. According to Sigmund Freud, psychology is mainly concerned with. According to the what? Sigmund Freud, psychology is mainly concerned with conscious behavior, study of unconscious mind, study of mental life, and study of senses. Study of senses or mental life. Study of unconscious mind. According to the what? Sigmund Freud, psychology is mainly concerned with the what? Study of unconscious mind. Unconscious mind, that has been stated by the what? Sigmund Freud. Psychology is mainly totally concerned with the what? Study of unconscious mind ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದಂತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೋವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಗ್ಮಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಡ್. Question. Which of the following definition represent the modern meaning of psychology? ಈ modern meaning ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಧುನಿಕ ಅರ್ಥ, ಮನೋವಿಜ್ಞಾನದ ಆಧುನಿಕ ಅರ್ಥ. Modern meaning of psychology. Science of soul, it is the older one. Science of behavior and mental process, science of consciousness, science of mind. So the correct option is what? Option B here. Option B. What is the option B here? Option B. So which of the following definition represents modern meaning of psychology? Modern meaning of psychology, science of behavior and mental process. So this is the what? Science of behavior and mental process. This is the modern meaning of psychology. Modern meaning of psychology. ಆಧುನಿಕ ಮನೋವಿಜ್ಞಾನದ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್, ವರ್ತನಾ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡುವುದೇ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಧುನಿಕ ಮನೋವಿಜ್ಞಾನದ ಅರ್ಥ. Who among the following emphasize that psychology should be the natural science? Psychology should be the natural science. William McDonald is the person, psychologist. Who among the following emphasize that the psychology should be the natural science of the psychology should be natural science means what? William McDonald said this one. Yes. Next question. Question number 16. According to Clifford T. Morgan, which two aspects are included in the psychology? Which two aspects? Behavior and mental process. Clifford means what? Behavior and mental process are included. Two aspects are included in the what? Psychology. This statement was given by the what? Clifford T. Morgan. According to Clifford T. Morgan, behavior and mental process are the two aspects which are included in the what? Psychology, we can say. So the correct option is what? Option B here. Next question. Who said the psychology is study of behavior living beings in relation with their environment? Who said psychology is the study of behavior of living beings in relation to their environment? This definition was given by what? Woodworth is the psychologist. See the options here. First, G.B. Watson has given the what? Science of behavior. Faraday is not is there, and James is also not there. Woodworth said that what? Study of behavior of living organism of living being in relation to their environment. This definition was given, or this statement was given by the what? Woodworth. Question number 18. Who defined the psychology study of adjustment of human being to their environment? Adjustment of human beings. See the here, adjustments of human beings to their environment. This was given by, this statement was given by, who defined the psychology? Skinner, Woodworth, or option A Skinner, option B Woodworth, option C William James, and option D Faraday here. So the correct option is what? Option B Woodworth. Woodworth is the correct. Adjustment of human beings to their environment. Adjustment of human being to their environment means what? Woodworth said this statement. Who among the following defined as the psychology as the study of unconscious mental process? Unconscious mental process, as we discussed the previous question, unconscious mental process is given by the what? Sigmund Freud. So the correct option is what? Freud here. Sigmund Freud is the psychologist. Sigmund Freud is the psychologist. He said that the psychology is the study of unconscious mind and mental process, we can say. Which of the following sequence shows the historical development of psychology definition? First, mind, soul, conscious, behavior, mind. Option A, consciousness, soul, behavior, mental process. First, soul, mind, conscious, behavior, and mental process. Now, soul, behavior, consciousness, and mind. So the correct option is what here? C. First, psychology loss is soul, then mind, then consciousness. Now it relates to the what? Behavior and mental process. So option C is the right answer for this question. Option C. So these are the all about the what? 20 important MCQs. 20 important MCQs based on the what? Definitions of psychology. So keep on watching my channel. Soul, mind, consciousness, behavior, and mental process. So the option C is the right answer for this question. So keep on watching my channel. So please like it and share, subscribe my channel, and be with us our YouTube channel for your TET and GPSTR and HSTR exam preparation. Thank you so much for watching my channel.